Hello. Today, we are going to learn digital analytics in digital marketing. In Module 8, we have these topics: web analytics tools, for example, Google Analytics, measuring and analyzing digital marketing performance, making data-driven decisions. Web analytics tools, such as Google Analytics, are essential for measuring and analyzing website traffic and user behavior. Here are some key features and functions of Google Analytics. 1. Website traffic analysis. Google Analytics tracks website traffic by capturing data on the number of visitors, page views, bounce rate, and time spent on site. 2. Conversion tracking. Google Analytics allows you to set up conversion tracking to measure specific actions, such as form submissions, downloads, or purchases. This helps you to understand the effectiveness of your website and marketing campaigns. 3. Audience insights. Google Analytics provides insights on your website visitors, such as demographics, interests, and behavior. This allows you to create targeted content and improve user experience. 4. Acquisition analysis. Google Analytics tracks the sources of your website traffic, such as search engines, social media, or referral sites. This helps you to understand which channels are driving the most traffic and conversions. 5. Behavior analysis. Google Analytics tracks user behavior on your website, such as the pages visited, time spent on site, and interactions with specific elements. This helps you to identify areas for improvement and optimize your website for better performance. 6. Custom reporting. Google Analytics allows you to create custom reports and dashboards to track specific metrics and KPIs. This allows you to focus on the data that matters most to your business goals. By using web analytics tools like Google Analytics, you can gain valuable insights into your website performance, audience behavior, and marketing effectiveness. This allows you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your website and marketing campaigns for better results. Measuring and analyzing digital marketing performance is critical for evaluating the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and optimizing your strategy for better results. Here are some key steps to follow. 1. Define your goals. Identify the key performance indicators (KPIs) that matter most to your digital marketing goals. These may include metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, leads generated, or revenue generated. 2. Use digital analytics tools. Use digital analytics tools such as Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, or other platforms to track and measure your digital marketing performance. These tools offer features such as website tracking, conversion tracking, and campaign reporting. 3. Analyze your data. Use the data from your digital analytics tools to analyze the performance of your digital marketing campaigns. Look for patterns and trends in your KPIs and identify areas for improvement. 4. Test and optimize. Experiment with different elements of your digital marketing campaigns, such as ad copy, targeting, landing pages, and CTAs. Use A or B testing to compare different versions of your campaigns and identify the most effective approach. 5. Monitor your budget. Monitor your digital marketing trends and best practices to ensure that your campaigns are effective and competitive. By following these steps, you can effectively measure and analyze your digital marketing performance for improved results and greater impact. It's important to continuously test and experiment to stay ahead of the curve and keep your digital marketing campaigns effective over time. Making data-driven decisions involves using data and insights to inform and guide decision-making processes. Here are some key steps to make data-driven decisions. 1. Define your objectives. Start by clearly defining your objectives or goals. What are you trying to achieve with your decision? It could be improving sales, optimizing processes, enhancing customer experience, or achieving any other specific outcome. Defining your objectives will help you identify the relevant data and metrics to collect and analyze. 2. Collect relevant data. Gather the relevant data that is needed to inform your decision. This may include quantitative data, such as sales data, website analytics, customer feedback, or operational metrics, as well as qualitative data, such as customer surveys, interviews, or focus group feedback. Ensure that the data you collect is accurate, reliable, and relevant to the decision at hand. 3. Analyze the data. Once you have collected the data, analyze it to gain insights and identify patterns, trends, and correlations. Use tools such as data visualization, statistical analysis, or data mining techniques to help you interpret the data and uncover meaningful insights. Look for patterns or trends that may reveal opportunities or areas for improvement. 4. Make informed decisions. Use the insights gained from data analysis to inform your decision-making process. Consider the implications of the data on your objectives and weigh the pros and cons of different options. Use the data to guide your decision-making, but also consider other factors such as organizational context, resources, and stakeholder perspectives. Use a logical and rational approach to arrive at a well-informed decision. 5. Implement and monitor. Once you have made a decision, implement it and closely monitor the outcomes. Continuously track and measure the results against your objectives and expected outcomes. If needed, make adjustments to your decision or strategy based on the feedback and insights from the ongoing monitoring process. This allows you to iterate and optimize your decisions based on real-world outcomes. 6. Learn and iterate. Embrace a learning mindset and continuously iterate your decision-making process based on the outcomes and feedback. Review the results of your decisions and analyze what worked, what didn't, and why. Use these learnings to inform future decisions and improve your decision-making capabilities over time. 7. Foster a data-driven culture. Encourage a culture of data-driven decision-making within your organization. Foster an environment where data is valued and decisions are based on evidence and insights rather than assumptions or personal biases. Provide training and resources to your team to enhance their data literacy and empower them to make data-driven decisions. By following these steps and integrating data into your decision-making processes, you can make informed decisions that are backed by evidence, leading to better outcomes and improved performance in your organization. Remember, data is a powerful tool, but it's important to use it in combination with critical thinking, judgment, and contextual understanding to make effective decisions. Thank you for watching us.